फोटो काढायचे ना, फोटो काढायचे व्हिडिओ पुढे व्हिडिओ चालू.
Okay, so now this is the topic. Other topics
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohit Mankar and my friend Ketan Deshmukh. Today we are going to present before you development of DC casting model for cooling prediction during casting. Sir, for fabrication of aluminum sheet, sir, what is DC? Sir, DC means direct chill casting. It is a method. Direct chill casting. Direct chill casting.
So this casting was direct chill. It becomes two times casting.
Sir, in fabrication of aluminum sheet in rolling means sheet rolling usually starts with the rolling of large ingots which are manufactured by direct chill casting process. So what is DC casting? DC casting is a vertical continuous casting process used for fabrication of cylindrical billets or rectangular ingots from non-ferrous alloys like aluminum alloys, copper alloys and magnesium alloys. From we can see that why it is called direct chill, because the water is directly sprayed on the surface of the ingot. That's why it is called direct chill casting. Understanding the casting process. The aluminum is melted above 650 degrees Celsius in a furnace, and it is further passed through tilting furnace where the composition of the alloy which is desired is set, and it is further heated. From the tilting furnace, the melt is passed through degasser. So the function of degasser is to remove the hydrogen which present in the melt, because hydrogen has affinity towards aluminum. Then further the melt is passed through filter. Filter removes any solid impurities present in the melt, and again then it is passed to the launder system into the molds. The molds are continuously supplied with the cooling water which cools the surface of the metal which come in contact. The casting process starts by the lowering of the hydraulic ram. As the ram moves downwards, new surface comes in contact with the water and it gets solidifies. The process parameter of DC casting. Sir, DC casting is governed by following parameters: the sheet ingot thickness, the casting speed, the speed by which the ram moves, and alloy composition for the and the flow rate of cooling water or the heat transfer rate. Understanding ingot geometry. Sir, ingot cast in a rectangular mold are never flat because of mainly due to thermal contraction and a phenomena called cooling. Actual ingot size cast in such mold is smaller. As we can see that the shape is not completely rectangular. It is somewhat this is to compensate the slippage which takes place due to thermal contraction and cooling. So what is thermal contraction? So thermal contraction is due to the shrinkage of metal as the temperature decreases. It is constant throughout the width. If only thermal contraction takes place, then there would be no such shrinkage in the middle. This accounts only for 2% of the total shrinkage of the ingot from the mold size. Next is the phenomena due to which there is contraction of metal, which is maximum at the center and it decreases towards the edges, and this accounts for 8% at the center. Further will be explained by my friend here.
Good afternoon everybody. problem is that the ingots produced by the DC casting process are scalped before they are passed to the rolling machine, because the surface of the ingots are not plain. That's why they need to be scalped. When scalping, this cheese zone of the ingot gets first removed, because of which the product, due to the scalping removes the outer layer shell zone with the serration and the coral structure to make it metallurgically flat. The production recovery has to be improved by better designing of DC casting molds to reduce the number of passes during scalping. As you can see, this is the pulling. This section is the pulling. Before this, the literature set of two papers was conducted. One is Weaver and another is Hackensack. First of all, we can see the Weaver. Weaver and Nielsen have proposed a mathematical model to produce rectangular ingots of desired thickness and width. The equation of Weaver is that MO is equal to K1T plus K2T square, where K1 and K2 are the constant, where MO is equal to mole opening,
K1
T is equal to final
एक
ingot
केतनचा भाऊ एक
K is
केतन
equal to passing speed, K1 is equal to thermal contraction function, and K2 is equal to cooling function. The next one is Hackensack model. Hackensack further modified the Weaver equation as follows: dm is equal to 1 plus eta naught plus c alloy theta vd square. In the Hackensack, K1 and K2 are replaced by the process parameters like d and c alloy, where eta naught is equal to total thermal contraction, d is equal to final ingot thickness, c alloy is equal to material dependent constant, theta is equal to cooling function, d is equal to casting speed. Hackensack model says that the cooling is depend on the W by D ratio. W is width and D is the thickness of the ingot. Assumption made by this two are the casting process is steady state process. Casting speed is constant throughout the process. Other process variable like water flow rate, heat transference are constant. Our project mainly concentrates on the development of molding tool to help design to reduce the dimensional variation in casting work. The tool will be developed using Python programming with a user-friendly interface based on the empirical relationship of tooling referring to the work done by Eric Hackensack and Clark Weaver. With a better understanding of tooling, the production recovery can be improved by better designing of specification.
You are going to develop a tool.
So we are going to develop a program which will have a user-friendly interface to carry out to calculate the mold opening required to manufacture a complete flat mold.
Not completely flat, but a little bit
The
reduction.
tool which you are going to develop, somewhere it should be tested.
Yes, actually we are doing this in Hindalco. Yeah.
You got some tie-up with them?
No. Yeah, we are doing our final project over there in Hindalco.
Only you can deliver test it.
Yes.
Only the real. So, we have this one.
Yes.
Why that solid configuration? You wait for
So this is mainly at the edges there is no effect such as to the effect, but this difference is this is mold and this is ingot, actual ingot. This is actually a rectangular mold which is not used practically. So sir, this shrinkage is 2% only due to the thermal conduction, and whereas
yeah, let us go. First figure you can cut right. The water may water. Yes. Now that aluminum molten aluminum is coming. The one which is at the top. water has minimum temperature near the wall. There it is cool down side.
When the
Water material is coming outside
first time
the
the
water.
rain falls on the
Why the water material is not freezing from outside? Why only two people? Normally four or only two?
They allowed us.
Huh?
They allowed us.
They?
Allowed us.
Who allowed you? They are without.
Project is started.
Without what?
That project is.
Mechanical material. Solidification is a very good topic. हो गया क्या